friends, I'm Jessica and welcome to a new Gacha React video. Today we're going to have some fun and exciting reactions, so get ready for laughs, surprises, and maybe some emotional moments. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and activating the bell to stay up to date with all our new content. Now let's get started.
Latinas, shop, get it up, shop, get it up. I like Latinas, ones who look like Selena, check a bunda like Anita, morenas, that's más fina. I like Dominicanas, Boricuas and Colombianas. In East LA, I like the Chicanas, and they want a piece of the big manzana. Yeah.
Can you lift my car with your hand? You are an ugly kid, but you're a
I mean, what can I say? Babies in the backseat singing. Hey DJ, won't you play that song for me? In my home, he's all singing to it. 3-0, 3-0. Você fez a escolha, agora aguenta a consequência. Não vale a pena nem se você já perdeu a confiança.
Come and find me, my name is Macarena. Always at the party con las chicas que son buenas. Come join me, dance with me, and all you fellas chat along with me.
Sam Golbach can throw me at a wall and I'd thank him. I kinda wanna see that in the forest alone.
What? Okay.
Waiting for another day. Never knew you'd not get what you say. Trying to salvage what's undone. Gotta run to the love.
looks at Sam walk away in a dress.
I mean, what can I say? Baby's in the backseat singing. Hey, DJ, won't you play that song for me? In my home, he's all singing to it. 3-0, 3-0.
Every time Colby speaks, Sam drinks one time. And
Hey,
and every time Sam speaks, you drink one time as well.
Easy. Step one done. Let me go get my keys now.
What did you slip on? Nothing! That was the thing! I don't... Oh, something touched my ass!
About half a mile. Yeah, alright? Okay, he's alright. Yeah.
Dude, it's in the spirit!
No!
He's doing pretty good!
But for this to succeed, there's someone else we need. I know. So he knows what to do in the trench. Ingenuitive and fluid in French, I mean. So you're gonna have to use him eventually. What's he gonna do in the bench, I mean? No one has more resilience or matches my practical, tactical brilliance. You want to fight to get land back? I need my right hand man back. Yeah, get your right hand man back. You know you gotta get your right hand man back. I mean you gotta put the bump to the letter, but the
again, there's no turning back now. Round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I know. Alone is not enough. You need both together. That's the number
My life path number is 9.
Life path 11, which is the psychic.
Your birthday number equals 33. Your number 6, the pretend.
There's something weird, and it don't look good. Who you gon' call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
forest alone. What? Okay.
Waiting for another day. Never knew the day. You're not getting what you say. Trying to salvage what's undone. Now you gotta run to the
Shot it so bad, sprung and I don't care. She wrapped me like a roller coaster, turned the bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but the mama so dope. I messed around and got addicted. So you wanna play with magic?
Cause if you tell, no one will believe you. Remember, I'm the sweet, perfect minister's daughter, and you're just yellow trash.
I've been working all weekend, I'm tired and I don't wanna sleep. I wanna have fun, it's time for a good time. Shot of tequila, beer on tap, sweet southern woman sitting on my lap.
It just said we want you. Do you know who we are? Do you know who we are? I never left. What's that saying?
Sally.
Sally's the one that's like in him. That's the one that's attached to me, bro. You're lying. What? Well, we got rid of it like 2 years ago, bro. Who's there? Oh my god. What? Sally. No. Recognize any of these guys? Can you say one of their names? Where? Sam? I want you to prove to me that you're down here. Prove your existence once and for all. Yeah, if you don't want people coming to your house anymore, why don't you show them a reason why? Make something happen. Show the world right now that you can cause some damage if you really wanted to.
What did you do?
There was a pentagram in the basement. We were kind of taunting it.
Is this spirit we're talking to named Sally?
Yes.
There's a shadow in the window looking at me.
but we needed some serious experts this time.
Oh, who are they?
Where?
It's you. It's you and you.
Huh?
You called the wrong people, boys.
This doesn't seem that bad.
What do you mean? That's freaking nothing!
But dude, in comparison to the cell that I was Sam got the king bed, I got this shitty ass twin mattress. Who got the master bedroom at home?
Let me see your one-way walk. Make your heels click, make the one-way talk. Come on. Pretty ass women taking pictures that never come outside until they look vicious.
Qui dit argent dit dépense, et qui dit crédit dit créance, qui dit dette te dit huissier, lui dit assis dans la merde, et qui dit amour dit les gosses, dit toujours et dit divorce.
dirais